All right, Ruben, this is the second one, the second verse, and I think the bridge for this song lyric. Um, maona, maona bakini ang giingon ni mama. So this first sentence here is more like a rhetorical question, right? This person is asking a rhetorical question to herself. Mao ba nakining ang giingon ni mama? Is this what mom was really talking to me about or was saying? Is this what mom was really saying? And then she goes on to saying, di ka makapuyo ug moabot siya. You can't even, it's like you're not able to live. You can't even live and expect her to arrive or her to come. Bebebehon, so bebe is actually baby, right? But in this, it's funny how they use the Ceblish meaning to make this into a verb, right? So bebebehon is like to make it or to treat someone like a baby or to make something like a baby, right? In this case, it's bebebehon ka. So someone is gonna treat you like a baby, even if, right? Even if bisan dili na ta bata, she's gonna treat you like a baby or she's gonna take care of you like a baby even if we're not kids anymore, right? Dili na ta bata, but dili gamay apan sa sulod ka kirig na, right? So little by not, it's not just little by little, right? Because gamay means little, but dili means no, right? No, it's just a action that's reduplicating, right? Not by little, but apan, but inside it's trembling or like shaking inside, right? It's already shaking inside na, right? And then it goes back to the chorus, and then I think the final part was ayaw og pag-asa, or yeah, ayaw og paasa, and this means don't hope. Ayaw og paasa. Paasa is like hope, because or kay ako nahulog na. Don't hope because I already fell, which is it's kind of lyrical in that way. Don't hope because I already fell. In this case, it's like stop hoping because I already gave up, or I already failed, or I already stopped. Like I already stopped hoping, or I'm already done. Nahulog na. Okay, ako nahulog na. I'm done. I fell. Um, no boyfriend since birth. You know that. So NBSB rabako basin di ko makaya. So she's had this problem even if, right? Basin again, I can't handle makaya. Kaya is like to bear something, but I think that might be a Tagalog cognate, makaya. Even though oh my gosh, it's tired. I'm tired. It's late, and I'm trying to think. Makaya to bear or to suffer or to endure. There you go. Kanunayng magampo nga ikaw para kanako ug ako maghigugma wa gyud sama. This last sentence is pretty much saying like forever, all the time, or always. I pray, right? Magampo. I pray all the time that ikaw para kanako, that you are with me. I pray all the time that you are for me. Ikaw para kanako, and that I won't be in love the same way again. So ug ako mahigugma wa gyud sama. Mahigugma is like to fall back, to fall in love, right? Ako mahigugma wa gyud sama. So negative form, right? No, indeed, like, or how can I translate sama? Sama is more like equivalent to or like the same as, right? So it's more like saying I won't fall in love the same way again. Kind of like that. Anyway, I hope you got the gist of this. It was a weird song, honestly, when I first saw it. There were a lot of errors they had on the lyrics, but I was able to just like swim through it and be like, okay, it's pretty much a song about um, love, all that kind of stuff. You know how Filipinos do it, love songs, taking things, relationships seriously, and stuff like that, and immaturity, all that kind of drama that Filipinos love to be in. All right, good night, people. I'm so tired.